little to the left, Ron. We got a big rock over here.
Yeah, he's middle. He's okay.
That's good.
We'll just middle, boys.
Split it right in the middle. Good man.
We've seen them, we've done them. They just grow like a mushrooms. They stare there. Oh, it's just a little toucher. Rock there. We're turning. Something's turning. Oh, we got doing the wind. Up the river. That was a cool one. Nice one. Little shore and oh, I see you. There we are. Are we on the river?
I know about where we are.
Yeah.
I just got to hold on.
Couple mushrooms here.
Big rock there. What?
Big rock right ahead.
Hold the rock in front of us.
Yeah.
Go on the left.
Left.
Oh, you're good. Just clear it.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
That's a good one. Don't get hang on it.
No, yeah.
Well,
either way.
Either way, but not in the middle. Not in the middle. Go probably left. You're gonna hang on it if you just hang on it. Yep. That's a white mushroom, huh? Well, okay. There's a little flower on top. Yep, and you might go lick it somewhere. There's another garden over there.
Rock.
There's a little rock here. Don't go on that. No. Go to the right. Something. Well, they're kind of doing this stuff. Okay, so that's the end of the. There are rocks everywhere. So same old. Easy water.
Spread your way through.